You're listening to the Core Factors audio library, spoken versions of Core Factors articles and research. This piece is titled, How AI Extends, Not Replaces, the Work of Coaching and Leadership Professionals. The following narration preserves the original content and context of the written article.
How AI extends, not replaces, the work of coaching and leadership professionals. In people development, quality assessments can spark insight, uncover hidden strengths, and create shared language around growth. But many participants walk away from an assessment session with a report in hand, feeling energized in the moment, only to struggle later with applying what they learned. Without structured support after the session, insights often fade. Participants may intend to change, but daily demands quickly take over. This is where artificial intelligence plays a critical role, not by replacing the professional, but by extending their impact beyond the session itself. Why momentum fades? Most people development professionals have seen this pattern. A participant has a breakthrough during an assessment discussion. They identify meaningful goals and commit to change. Then a week goes by and nothing happens. Follow-through is difficult. Life resumes. Priorities shift. Without reinforcement, reminders, or a place to revisit insights, momentum fades. While follow-up sessions or accountability check-ins can help, they require time and scheduling. AI-powered tools can step in to provide consistent support between those moments. AI as a partner in growth. AI coaching assistants like Evidentra are designed to reinforce development between professional touchpoints. After a type discovery assessment and debrief, a participant might use Evidentra to revisit strengths and blind spots, explore ways to apply insights to daily work, or set small, achievable goals. The interaction is responsive and immediate. It uses the same language introduced during the coaching or assessment session. In effect, it functions like a coach assistant, one that remembers the participant's profile and reinforces learning without replacing the professional relationship. Turning reports into conversations. Traditional assessment reports contain valuable insight, but they are static. Participants may read them once or twice, but rarely return to them regularly. Reports do not adapt, respond, or evolve alongside real-world experiences. Evidentra makes assessment data interactive. Instead of asking participants to interpret results on their own, it invites them into ongoing conversation. The assistant draws from a curated knowledge base aligned directly with Core Factors assessment frameworks, helping participants connect their results to real-time challenges as they arise. Moving learning forward. Reinforcement is essential for growth, but without guidance, it can feel repetitive or disconnected. Practitioners can overcome this by supporting development in new ways. Evidentra enables this through prompted reflections, context-aware guidance, and relevance to day-to-day situations. This form of support strengthens learning, boosts confidence, and increases the likelihood of sustained behavior change, all without adding more work for the professional. Supporting growth between sessions. One of the most valuable uses of AI assistance is the space between sessions. Whether working with an executive over several months or delivering a single workshop, participants need ways to stay engaged with what they learned. With Evidentra, participants can reconnect with goals, reflect on challenges, and stay aligned without waiting for the next meeting. Professionals continue to lead the process. AI supports continuity and engagement between touchpoints. Getting more from every assessment. For professionals who already invest in delivering high-quality assessments, AI tools like Evidentra help maximize that investment. They keep insights active. They increase the practical value of each session. They encourage participants to return to their assessment results for reflection and growth. Most importantly, they free professionals to focus on what only humans can do, building relationships, navigating complexity, and providing high-impact coaching that transforms people and teams. Try it for yourself. Evidentra is available as part of the Core Factors Discovery account, professionals can enable it within any Pro account project, offering participants optional, model-aligned support between sessions. If your goal is to extend engagement, reinforce growth, and scale personalized development without losing your professional voice, Evidentra is designed to help. Apply for a Pro account and see how AI can keep development active, relevant, and participant-driven without adding more to your plate.
This concludes the audio version of this Core Factors article. You can read the full written version and explore related research at corefactors.com.